Alright. It's been 2 weeks, I think, since I had the M96 running, and I've been working on sewing machines, and this is going to come out before the troublesome machine in question appears on my channel, because I'm so far ahead on sewing machine videos from all these sewing machines I'm working on. But I am working on a machine that is the definition of too smart for its own good. So I'm taking a break to play with engines, and we'll see if we can get the M96 to start. I suppose I'm gonna prime it. I don't want to do that. Alright. There. And then I got it flooded horribly. Okay. And that thing is just going to make noise. Alright, well, let's pop our plug out and dry that off, and then see if we can get it to fire up. It is a cold day, and it's been sitting for 2 weeks, so it may be a bit much for me to expect it to hand start without a little bit of there. And these, yes, the new plugs are the 6mm. Okay. Make sure I got a spark in there. Go. And I haven't done anything with the governor on this. I'm just gonna run it on a tank of fuel today to enjoy it. So, oh, and it needs to have a rag under it so it doesn't make so much noise on the tabletop. Alright, we'll just watch it run today.